So, second and last shirt for this session.
This is the last one.
Huh?
This is the last one.
Second and last shirt for this session. You say that every time.
They said second to last.
Every time. Look
Wow,
how
look
thick
at
that
blue.
dye is, man. Oh, I know. That's a beautiful blue. That bluebird. We've used it to mix a couple times, but this is the first time we've used it, and this is like my favorite shade of blue. Even more so than the glacier. Whoa, that's a lot of dye. They normally don't have that much dye come out of them in here.
This was the one we used the sodium alginate. I don't know, this was the one we used the super clear on.
Yeah.
The super clear had almost like a jelly-like consistency.
Yeah, it turned it into like warm jello. Almost like room temperature gelatin. Look at that. Alrighty, let's see what we got with this one. Come on. Still got some coming out. Man, that looks cool. I think this one's looking really good. Oh, hold it in front of the light. No, like normal. Wow, look at that. Okay, go ahead. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Man, that looks nice. Cool. Look at that spiral. Oh my god. That looks awesome. And here's our final result. Check that out. That looks real good. It almost looks like it's like a peach color on camera, but in person it's definitely orange. We'll probably go deeper on the orange next time, but it's clearly orange in person. I hate how it looks peach on camera, but yeah. Came out really, really cool and really good. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day.